Hi guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel. And today we gotta get these beautiful struts in the Impala undone. We gotta get them loosened so we can replace them. And so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get my body contorted in the right configuration to be able to loosen them up. Going to be fun. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're back. So now we're going to install the comfort pad to be able to help out with the elbow pain that I was experiencing. Won't be able to do much with the stomach pain, but that's neither here nor there. And we got a 15mm ratchet to work with. So, alrighty, put that up there and get myself back in. And do a little shimmy up. Okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna, well, oh boy, I'm gonna need a long one.
I can do that. Long ratchet?
Long head.
A long, oh, deep well.
Yeah, deep well. Dang, this is uncomfortable, people. Good grief. Talk about pain. Ooh. But now we got the two bolts that we're able to get to, at least that way, loosened. So we need to come over here to the driver's side and get at least the two loosened. Anyways, gotta figure out the third on both, but we'll work on the two here. Alrighty guys, whew. We got those two front bolts all loosened up and stuff, so that's progress anyways. Now we gotta get those two on fillers in the back, so hold on and we'll bring you back in a little bit. Special on sale cobalt thing. It's not a tool that you would use much, but for stuff like this, yeah, it's a really not bad ratchet either. This one has the a little insert so you can use your standard sockets as well. So I think I bought you a set of these. Okay.
Bad data set. Yeah, it's hanging around somewhere. Because I think they were like 19 bucks or something like that. That's stupid how cheap it was.
Yeah.
For real cheap.
Right. But luckily, guys, these rubber covers here come off. So that was part of the problem with that back one, is that this was taking up the space. So that came out. Todd's throwing nuts. You're a squirrel. Nuts. You're a squirrel and throwing nuts out.
Squirrels. Squirrel. Give me a squirrel. Yeah, just.
Okay. Bleh. Bleh. Very good. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so that's
sweet.
That's all it was.
That helps. Yeah. That makes it a lot easier.
I mean, but either with any of those tools.
Yeah.
It was gonna be a little.
Yeah.
But this one, it made it really easy.
Alright.
And coming in from this side for me is not bad.
Well, I know I can come in through the back and do it facing away from it. It was just that with those plastic things, I couldn't get any motion going, and so. But luckily, those do come out, so that helps.
So yeah, it's definitely easier to do this while it's on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Compared to.
Yep.
Nuts hanging around.
Nuts. Oh, nuts. Okay, we got 4 nuts.
One fell. One lost. Whatever.
It is.
Rattle.
Rats.
It fell on that side. I think the new struts come with bolts.
Okay. Oh, good.
Reminds me of the old days in the Corsica. It wasn't near this much room in Corsica.
Nope.
And the sill was a lot higher too to get in. Hey, Combustion wrench,
Awesome.
beast saves the day.
Great. Cool. Alright, so we got the strut bolts out. Now we just gotta lift
Now
it
we gotta
up
get
and let it
Todd
go. Yeah, there he goes. Alrighty, cool. Got that side done. Got that side done. Now we get to get the struts out after we lift the car up. Cool. Let's get to it. Alrighty, guys. So we got it jacked up, and we'd already loosened the struts, and it already fell out. Yeah. So now we gotta. I think we got what, one jack stand set.
Hey, you know what? We probably should have left just one nut.
Yeah.
And that I didn't think.
Yeah, we didn't think about that. But anyways, so the whole strut has fallen, and so now we gotta jack up the knuckle here, so that we can get the tire off. But
oh, the other one fell out too.
Oh yeah, I thought I heard something over there.
That wasn't helpful.
No, that wasn't helpful. But
especially the wheels on them.
yeah. Well, that's gonna be fun though. But anyways, yep. So we're gonna get these struts off somehow, some way. But anyways, we're gonna get back to work.
Yeah, see, for me and my hands, it slides back over and tightens.
Yeah. Alrighty, got
So
the
nice.
wheel nuts coming off.
Not having to have the air compressor is nice.
Yeah.
But it's good not having to have the hose all over the place.
Exactly.
Went back there and all 4 turtles were out, so I switched
Oh, cool.
the hose. They're like, no, what? Gotta go.
Alright, so Todd's getting that off. Let's go look at this side over here, guys. So what we got, so Todd's thinking we're gonna have to take the wheel hub off.
Brakes. Just brakes.
Oh, brakes, okay. So the brakes off. Definitely looks like it would be more roomy that way. But let's see, we gotta unattach the sway bar from the
We gotta
strut and shock assembly. What?
You gotta pound out those 2 studs in the bottom.
Yeah, those two. So that's gonna be fun right there. Get those guys. Yeah, so I don't know. Gonna have to
It's not super,
work on it and see, but
not super tough.
yeah, there's not as much stuff as in the front, so that kind of helps out. Less stuff to work around. So anyways, so we'll get to work here and see what we see, everybody.
Oh, look at that, it's just a little disc. It's not
Yeah,
even
it's a little one.
Oh, we gotta take the sway bar links off.
Yeah,
Those
exactly.
new ones we're gonna put on.
Well, I'm not sure. We
Well,
might
see,
be
these
able
are
to.
what we're replacing.
Okay, so yeah, we gotta take that off and unattach the sway bar.
Look how old that is, though.
Yeah,
And see, and then we got the shims. So remember where
Yeah.
these are. We'll try to line that back up.
yeah, exactly.
But see, that's weird. The driver's side had one, but the passenger side didn't have one in the front.
Huh, weird.
And on the rear, the driver's side has, or the back has 2 of them. So, but this one will
No clue.
slide out. This one we're gonna have to pound out.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's probably where it'll be helpful to take the caliper off so we're not bashing.
Yeah.
But it looks like with this, I'm not even gonna mess with. Those are our
Hopefully
links
not,
there.
yeah,
I'm not even
exactly.
gonna mess with those.
That'd be good.
And then you got your control arm there.
Yeah.
But we're not messing with those at this time.
Nope.
So, okay.
Alrighty.
Let's go have fun.
Yep, get to work.